வணக்கம், நான் ராகேஷ் ரகுநாதன். ஒரு ஊர்லேயும் சரி, ஒரு கிராமத்துலேயும் சரி, இது எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து இணைக்கிறது என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, நம்மளோட ரயில்வே நெட்வொர்க். இந்த ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை ரயில் பயணமாக இருக்கட்டும், ஒரு உணவு அப்படின்றது எப்போவுமே இருந்துகிட்ருக்கும். இது நம்ம வீட்டிலேருந்து கொண்டு போகிற உணவாக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை அந்தந்த ஸ்டேஷன் ஸ்பெஷல்ஸ்ன்றது அந்த காலத்தில் நிறைய இருந்தது. இப்போது அதெல்லாம் இல்லை. பாண்டியன் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ், நான் பொடியன் பொரியலோட சேர்ந்து உருவாக்குன ஒரு அழகான ஒரு உணவு ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் அப்படின்னே சொல்லலாம். இது ஏன்னா அந்த காலத்தில் நம்ம சென்னையிலேருந்து மதுரை வரைக்கும் நான் அடிக்கடி போவேன். கொடைக்கானலுக்கு போகும்போது கொடை ரோடு வரைக்கும் சரி, இல்லாட்டா சில சமயம் மதுரை வரைக்கும். அங்கே அந்த ட்ரெயினில் நாங்கள் எடுத்துகிட்டு போன உணவு, அந்தந்த ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷனில் கிடைச்ச உணவு, இதெல்லாம் வச்சு ஒரு அழகான ஒரு மீல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் தான் உங்களுக்கு கொண்டு கொடுக்குறோம். உங்களுக்கு ரயில்வேஸ் ஒரு சென்ட்ரல் தீமாக இருக்கக்கூடிய சினிமாக்கள்லேருந்து நான் பாட்டும் எடுத்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு அழகான டீமோட பாட போகிறேன். ஸோ என்னோட சேர்ந்து இந்த பாண்டியன் எக்ஸ்பிரஸில் பிரயாணம் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தயாராகுங்க.
That was a great way to start the evening with a really peppy song. And so now I'm not going to take too much more airspace. The chief architect of the dining theatre experience over the next couple of days, please welcome Rakesh Raghunathan.
Okay, good evening folks, and welcome aboard the Pandian Express. The train has just departed from Chennai Egmore. Railway journeys are very, very special, and what I intended to showcase in this dining theatre experience was there's a lot of nostalgia. For me personally, Pandian Express was something that I took every summer when I went to Kodaikanal with my grandparents. So there's a lot of food that we would pack from home. There is a lot of food that is available in railway stations. Like even today in the north, in the south, the railway stations are very, very famous for certain recipes. So we've tried to bring in, and today some in the south are not even there. So what we've tried to do in this meal experience is bring that alive in some way, and also try and bring in some songs associated with journeys, and joined by amazing musicians like Kumar. And I always call Podi Poriyal home because they're so open to the kind of collaboration, the ideas that I come up with, the team in the back end, ever willing to support and make this a success. Thank you very much for being there. So we've left now, and slowly the train will pick up speed. பாட்டு பாடவா, பாட்டு பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா, பறந்து செல்லவா. We tried to do our version of the Tenga Manga Patani Sundal. Now, for those of you who've been to Madras, who've been to the station there, Sundal is something that is usually a lentil or a legume that's tossed with some grated mango and some coconut and tempered. So we tried to do a hummus with that. The idea was also to give South Indian food a very contemporary presentation. Along with that is the very, very iconic railway tomato soup. The concept of the soup was something that was introduced by the British. So the idea was to give you the soup. It's a very, very, very Indianized soup that you can ever imagine. So I will come and speak to you as the meal progresses. Enjoy your meal, and we are pacing our way into the journey, and welcome aboard Pandian Express. Chennai, Egmore station, we've now proceeding our journey. We've probably crossed Tambaram and further down. These are all small towns along the way. Now, what you would have also got as a snack to eat, I think I spoke to some people, you would have got a masala vada, which is basically a lentil preparation. We wanted to jazz it up a little bit, so with some coconut chutney mousse on the top. And you also got the idli with the podi. The podi obviously has a local flavor. It has some kaffir lime leaves. We've used that for that. And you would have also got the puri rolls. Now, these puri rolls are very, very classic to the Kodaikanal Road railway station. We would always get off there to go to the hills in Kodaikanal. So there used to be this one vendor, I still remember his face. He would make the best puri masala. I don't know if it is nostalgia, because some of us also speak from a lot of nostalgia, what you're used to eating, but it just tasted so good. And we would come down the winding roads. It was a hill, so it would take about 1.5 hours to come down the hills. And when you came down, you would, as kids, you wouldn't want to, you would be dreading coming down the hill. So as soon as we saw the railway station and this man selling the puris, we would just go and gorge on them. So these puris and aloo is from them. You will also be getting more inspired from Dindigul, which is known for their biryani. We've got you some Dindigul banana leaf parcels. It's a take on the lump rice, which is very Sri Lankan, that has a lot of the Portuguese influence. Kerala has its own version called the Podi Poriyal, which is banana leaf wrapped with rice. There usually be some meat, some raita, some pickle, and all of that. In this case, we've given you the biryani. There's going to be raita, there's going to be chips, pickle, and the salad. So moving on, as the train is right now in full speed, this is a song from this movie called Ninaivellam Nithya. It's a very old Tamil film, where the central plot of the film revolves around a train journey where the hero and the heroine get into, and after that, the movie plot sort of thickens. பனிவிழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரம்
அழகான நேரங்கள் நம்மை தீண்ட அகலாத ஆசைகள் நிஜம் காண தவிப்போடு தொலைத்த நேசம் அலை போல நம் முன்னே நீந்தி வந்து இசை பாட முடியாத மௌனத்தின் அன்பு மனதோறும் வீசி போக.
Pandian Express was an amazing ride. Thanks to the team at Podi Poriyal and Rakesh Raghunathan. It was amazing. Brought back a lot of very nice memories. Amazing set of songs as well. A lot of the songs were my favorites. Thoroughly enjoyed it.
And every single course had a twist in it. It was very impressive, and we were looking forward for tasting each round. So the dishes were very well created. We have nostalgic memories of Madurai, especially Pandian Express from all the way from Egmore to Madurai. Every station in the speciality, we were all trying to bring that in every course of the day. And we enjoyed the different twist to even the drinks. Like curry leaf, so every dish had beautiful memory with it, and we take back lots of memories.
Hi, my name is David. This is Marie Jose. We live here in Singapore. We've had a really lovely evening. It's been a great ride. We enjoyed the food tremendously. It was really lovely Southern Indian food, I think. And the music was really nice, and the commentary entertaining. Very nice evening. Thank you very much.
Yeah, the combination of the Ilayaraja music and the delightful food that I've experienced over the years on trains just took me back to that time. I haven't had a better experience.
Hi, so we've both been visiting Podi Poriyal now for the last few years. Each time we come here, the experience is unique. Experiences like this are not very often, but when they do happen, they give you a lovely flavor of the culture from back home in India. So yeah, it was an amazing experience.
Lovely food, very different scene, this one. This was a train journey from Chennai to Madurai with multiple stops, unique food and flavors from places along the way. Very unique, very nice, lovely tasting, worth something to come for.
And lovely music to go with it as well, right? So
Rakesh is
Rakesh is a good
fantastic.
singer and also a great chef. Thank you.